Pak Arb Fartilizars was acquired through a privatization process of the government of Pakistan in 2005. For the last 38 years, Pak Arb Fartilizars Limited has been the only fertilizer company in Pakistan producing compound fertilizers, calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, and nitrophosphate, NP.
ये मुल्तान में खास फैक्ट्री बहुत बड़ी फर्टिलाइज़र बनाने की ये खानेवाल रोड पर ये साथ में इन्होंने कॉलोनी बनाई हुई है रिहायशी। और मैं ज़रा करीब भी व्यू कर दूँ आपको। ये बहुत पुरानी है और ये प्राइवेट हो चुकी है। पहले ये गवर्नमेंट के उसमें थी, बाद में ये प्राइवेट हो गई। पाक अरब फर्टिलाइज़र खानेवाल रोड।
Pak Arb Fartilizar Limited produces calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, nitrophosphate, NP, and urea. Pak Arb Fartilizar Limited produces calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, nitrophosphate, NP, and urea. Fertilizer restores soil fertility by supplying nutrients to the soil. It is the largest fertilizer complex in Pakistan and the only factory producing calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, and nitrophosphate, NP, with annual production capacity of 90,000 tons urea, 450,000 tons CAN, 305,000 tons NP, and 847,000 tons multi-product. The site area of PAFL comprises of 302 acres, which includes area for the factory in the housing colony with all amenities including medical center, school, management and staff clubs for recreation of employees and their families. Fauji Fertilizer Company Limited, FFC, is the largest urea manufacturer in Pakistan. It was incorporated in 1978 as a joint venture between Fauji Foundation, a leading charitable trust in Pakistan, and Halder Topsu of Denmark. The fertilizer industry converts raw materials into three main types of fertilizer: nitrogen, ammonia, phosphorus, and potassium. These various applications call for chemical processes with precise control and accurate monitoring of temperature, pressure, level, and flow. Second, since there are 43,560 square feet in an acre, multiply the amount of fertilizer needed per 1,000 square feet by 43,560, then divide by 1,000. 4.7 pounds fertilizer by 43,560 square ft, divided by 1,000 equals 205 pounds of the 8th of August 16 fertilizer will be needed per acre. Leading fertilizer companies globally 2023, by market capitalization. As of July 2023, Wesfarmers was the largest fertilizer company worldwide based on market capitalization, at $37.63 billion. Nutrien ranked second at the time, with a market capitalization of $331.88 billion. 24 July 2023. Studies have found that the ideal NPK fertilizer ratio of those nutrients for flowering plants is 3:1:2. That's 3% nitrogen, 1% phosphorus and 2% potassium. So look for that ratio on the label of packaged fertilizer. Anything close to a 3:1:2, a 6:2:4 or a 9:3:6 should be ideal. Yield Max is a foliar feed product and should be applied to green growing leaves. Can be applied alone, with pesticide, or with other fertilizer. Yield Max may be applied via ground sprayers, high volume or low volume, aircraft or fertigation systems. Agritech, formerly Pak American Fertilizer Limited, was the first nitrogenous fertilizer plant built in Pakistan. It was commissioned in 1958 with production capacity of 50,000 MTPA of ammonium sulfate based on indigenous coal and gypsum as raw materials. The capacity was enhanced to 90,000 MTPA in 1968. Russia's biggest exports are oil and gas. But the country is also the largest global exporter of fertilizer, And as the world continues to react to the tragedy unfolding in Ukraine, fertilizer prices for farmers have spiked and could even lead to an increase in food costs. The 10th of March 2022. There are 11 types of fertilizer that are used in Pakistan. Good source of P fertilizer for all crops. Good source for problem soils. Overall, it suits to about 90% soil of the country. Urea fertilizer is the most important nitrogenous fertilizer. There are two main reasons for urea fertilizer to be the king of fertilizer. Firstly, it has high nitrogen content, about 46%. Secondly, it is a white crystalline organic chemical compound. Engro-DAP complies with Pakistan standards, PS, and only the best quality is imported from renowned sources from around the world. This is the reason it is a popular and trusted brand among farmers. It is marketed in a 50 kg bag. It is the largest fertilizer complex in Pakistan and the only factory producing calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, and nitrophosphate, NP, with annual production capacity of 90,000 tons urea, 450.
बिलमुकाबल ना ये NFC कॉलेज भी है, मैं इसको आपको ये NFC कॉलेज है इधर, और ये खास करके आने वाला रोड है। बहुत बड़ी बाउंड्री इसकी हमारे साथ बिल्कुल लेफ्ट साइड पर है।
It is the largest fertilizer complex in Pakistan and the only factory producing calcium ammonium nitrate, CAN, and nitrophosphate, NP, with annual production capacity of 90,000 tons urea, 450,000 tons CAN, 305,000 tons NP and 847,000 tons multi-product.